Hello everybody, it's Justin with Justin Sally Art. I hope you're having a great day. For those of you the first time watching me, I'm a fluid artist mainly, specialize in acrylic pours, but I do quite a bit of resin lately. And I've been looking online at different things and I came across this kit, and so I wanted to show you guys. I went ahead and picked it up. I think this will be a great kit for anybody that you know that crafts or has thought about getting into resin and may or may not be able to afford it. You could gift this little kit, which I'll link in the description below, as well as my discount to save you a little bit. With my discount, I think it comes out to like right around 26 bucks, but this is a whole kit with everything you need to start creating and try resin for the first time. So let's go ahead and take you over and show you what comes in the box. Alright, let's open this kit up and show you why I bought this one. So it came with everything to get somebody started if they wanted to try different things. And truthfully, right off the bat I see them. I know they're really small, but what I was looking for and would like to do is some dried flowers. And I've always wanted to try this, and I didn't get the chance to pick any and dry them this year. So this is going to be fun, and this is one of the first things I saw that made me want to try it. So right here we have some dried flowers. I'll put this back. And then some pipettes. Here's some little V-hooks for the jewelry making. It comes with some chain for necklaces. Sticks for mixing, gloves. Comes with some mica powders to try out. Chunky glitters. Gold foil. Flakes. A bunch of different dyes. Epoxy, obviously. Some cups with measurements for mixing. Some smaller cups to break down your colors and stir with. And then it comes with a couple of these bookmark molds. So there is 3 molds, a short one, then the 2 larger ones. Fairly shallow, but I'm pretty sure we can get one of those flowers in there. And then this really large mold, which is awesome. And these are pretty deep. I could do some Petri in these. Those are nice, and they look like they have a rounded front edge. and they have the little tabs so you can go right in with the jewelry and the hooks. So this is going to be awesome. I can't wait to do this. And then there's also a user manual for beginners, and I'll walk you through mixing, but we'll just go ahead and create some. So yeah, you get all that stuff for under 30 bucks. That's pretty incredible to get started and try it. And that's why I said I think it's a great gift idea, especially for even if somebody has resin, it gets them some molds, some dried flowers, maybe some glitter. I don't have any of this. I've never used this. I do have glitters, but those are almost like chunks, so that'll be fun. Maybe some of those are foil flakes too or something. And then I didn't have any chain to try any necklaces or anything. And this is, honestly, I was really excited about these. So I can't wait to go ahead and get started and try. So let's get into it. Let's make something. So I'm going to mix it up, and then we're going to create some pieces. Don't forget to follow, like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified for my future videos. I'm going to turn on some music for you guys. Enjoyed that little process. That was the first round, so we're going to get to the second round here, and I'll show you guys how I finish these off. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and hit the bell so you can be notified of all my future videos. One more song and then we'll get to the finished product. I want to thank everybody for watching this video and hanging out till the end with me. I hope that this might have inspired some of you to pick up one of these kits and try some fluid art or resin art. It's so much fun, and everything you need is included to create some of these beautiful pieces. If you thought this might be a good gift for somebody else with Christmas coming up, I assure you it is, as I'm showing you the pieces that I created now from this simple kit. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and again, I appreciate everybody so much. I'll have links in the description for this and my other discounts. Thank you all, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Appreciate you.